Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to the first intro ever with the 570 here in the garage. The last couple days have been amazing, obviously taking delivery of the car. Filming yesterday with Tanner and Sean was so much fun, but now we can finally take a moment and appreciate this car. There's been so much going on. I have so much to share with you guys as to why I bought this car. We are gonna do something that has never, ever been done in the history of YouTube with this 570s. That information is coming very, very soon. And when I say soon, rather soon, pretty soon, very soon. This is a cold startup on a 2017 McLaren 570s. Also, this right here, this is the new wheel for my Jeep Wrangler Relations Race wheel. Finally arrived. You guys might remember the saga of when I destroyed my BF Goodrich tire. Later on in today's video, Jeep Nation, we are back. We are back. So the lift is up. We're now going to attempt to put it down. Push forward, and then on this screen right here, we're gonna scroll down to there, and then this we're gonna push up, right head raise, and now we can lower it. Vehicle is lowering. It's not very fast. On the Gallardo, there's a button. You just push it here to go up, and then push it here to go down. The 570, getting it up is fine, getting it down is a little bit annoying. We're only into McLaren ownership one day, but I'm already starting to learn the tricks and the trades. You always need a set of post-it notes and a Sharpie, and that's because this car is very, very fast. I edit all these videos myself, and blurring out the speedometer, well, it's quite time consuming, and so this little trick makes life much easier. The concept is pretty simple. All you do is you just put this right over the speedo, and then I don't have to blur it out. Okay, we're good, time to roll. I do want to point out the lift is up. Now at a certain speed, of which is unbeknownst to me, the lift automatically goes down. I won't be able to tell you because we're going 55 right now. The vehicle is auto lowering. We are going, wait for it, 35. So somewhere around 35, the vehicle auto lowers. We're also about to accelerate though, so this is back. Quick flicks of the downshift, hit it. Oh my gosh, this car is so fast. The tires are a little bit cold, so I don't know if you can feel the little shakes we had. I'm gonna say it, it's never gonna get old having the cool doors on the 570s. Now you OG subscribers, you might remember in a past life, well, 2.5 years ago, I used to work as an accountant, and I'm still very, very good friends with the man who fired me. He has not seen the new addition to the garage yet, and he works in this building as an accountant, so we're gonna go get some lunch. Also, I just want to make note, Corvette owners, if you could, you know, it's between the white line. Anyways, lunch. If you're unfamiliar with the field of accounting, it's very, very boring. It involves sitting behind a computer screen for, I don't know, anywhere from 8 to 10 hours a day, working on journal entries, general ledgers, financial statements, whatnot. And that's what I used to do for a couple of years. You have to be very, very quiet. There's people typing away. We don't want to disturb the work that's getting done right now. Right now, there's poor Nick right there. Poor guy. Oh no. Oh no, this isn't good. This isn't good. What's up? Dude, rough day. Oh, and how's the Wednesday? It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
It is. I usually don't get that right.
We're 2 full days away from Free Lunch Friday.
That's right, and that's what you look forward to. I mean, I might have to stop by on Friday. We might be back on Friday. I mean, yeah. If you're new to the channel, Nick is the man who fired me. He canned me about, what, 2.5 years ago. Yeah. And so I'm here just, you know, with the subtle flex. I was like, oh, hey, bro, I bought a new McLaren. You want to go for a ride? Obviously, you guys know Nick. I live with Nick. He owns the house. Right. I live in the upstairs bedroom.
All the neighbors think that you own the house.
Right.
And I live with you. So everyone that talks to us will say, oh, you live with TheStradman. That's his house.
Yeah. Nick is 6 feet 6 inches tall. The McLaren is not the biggest car, so this could be curious, in case you didn't know. Yeah, you know, the subtle flex,
James Stradman, I don't know, how do people refer to you? I don't even know.
James works.
James works.
Stradman, Jay Stratty, I mean, whatever.
Jay Stratty, I don't know if he's shown you guys the boot to the McLaren yet. OG subscribers, as he likes to say. No, he likes to try to fit people into the trunk. Usually we got a girl. Look at that. Oh, that might be
Am I in? You
It's
know how
gonna
to
be
open
close.
this, right?
No, I don't.
The key,
you have the
is in the
keys?
driver's seat. There's a button and you push it. Don't.
That sounds sketchy.
This is the man who fired me.
Oh, look at that.
Shut it, shut it,
Shut it.
shut it. Do it.
Oh, that's, dude. Stradman's in the trunk, and I don't know where the keys are. Oh, this is, I don't even know how to open these doors.
2 hours later.
This is, he should have given me a tutorial first on how to open doors, open trunks. All right. There we go. Dude,
I'm like hyperventilating. Oh my, it's so hot in here. Hello. It's
random.
my heart rate is actually pounding right now. Okay, that's not bad. How's the headroom?
Not bad.
That's actually not bad.
The hips are tight.
Yeah, well, you know, I had to get the track pack.
Yeah.
I couldn't not get the track pack.
I'm in. I'm secured.
I was bumping, what can I say? I don't know. It has a stereo. I should know that. The track pack was $23,660. The carbon ceramic brakes were $1,530. The fire extinguisher was $170, and the McLaren orange seatbelts were $350 options. As far as the sound system, I don't know, and that's because there is an exhaust coming very, very soon from South Africa. As we speak, it is being shipped over the Atlantic to America, and when we install it, I don't know, but soon. And when I say soon, sometime between now and pretty soon. Pretty soon.
Yeah, I like your speedometer.
Oh yeah.
That's new. I never saw that in the Lamborghini, so it must be a McLaren.
It's a special feature of the 570s.
Yes.
Yeah, special feature. It's quite nice. It's very user friendly. Just gotta hit
Get in front.
We don't have time. Go! It is so fast.
Merge. Whoa.
Whoa. That was 55.
I had my eyes. I mean,
what, you disappointed?
I get it.
It needs
No,
more
that's what I'm
power.
saying.
It needs more
I mean,
power. You're right.
You could use more just, you know, sound, just power, but I mean, it's nice. Yeah,
fair enough.
It's enjoyable.
Okay.
Smile on the face, kicks you back, not obtrusive.
We need more power.
You know? Oh, they got a puppy. They got puppies,
No way.
multiple.
Puppies? Whoa, what is going on? Is there a puppy sale?
It's a giveaway.
Watch your head. There we go. There's kind of puppies over here. We're not really invited, but we're gonna go scout it out. What's up, dude? What's up? How's it going? I need this puppy.
Fun. My female she's just such.
Nick's got 10 and 9. Is that from typing so much? Goodness, dude.
Position.
Yeah, that'll do it. Carpal tunnel. So we're here at Village Baker. I told you guys I was coming for salads. I never disappoint. They have pizza too, but we're going salad. Cake, we have cookies, we have Rice Krispie treats, romaine, we got tomatoes, we got spinach. A beautiful, beautiful salad.
There is hope. Don't give up on him. Keep pushing, keep fighting. He will get there, he will see the light, and maybe eventually you'll see 2 sandwiches at the table.
I don't really know what Nick is talking about. I'm having a salad right now. I don't know what you're talking about. You saw the salad, I'm eating a salad. If today's video gets 194,812 likes, I'll get a puppy. Smash that like button.
My Mustang sounds better than that.
You're right, it does though.
Oh wait,
no,
I don't have it anymore.
Did you crash it? Sorry, it's a Mustang thing. Yes. So unfortunately, Nick has to go back to work.
I had to work 13 hours yesterday, 7:30 to 8:30. So how was your?
If you guys didn't see my last
tubing?
upload,
Yeah.
I went tubing and went to McDonald's in a Lamborghini race car.
How's the girl situation?
Are you kidding me?
I mean, I gotta have something on my,
Lifting me up, making me feel like $1 million, and then just put me right in the heart.
It's the sandwich method. You say something good, you get something real and hard, and then you say something good again.
It's not going very well. There's a current girl in my life and her favorite tactic, I don't know if it's a tactic, a technique, I don't know what it is. She likes to invite me to do stuff, and then I say yes, and then she can't do it. It's quite a formidable technique.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure what to do.
If doing you doesn't work, which maybe, I don't know, you know.
It hasn't been working. It hasn't been working very well.
Option 2 is to do the opposite of you. Okay. I could get a wig, I could get plugs or something, you know, really just get back into the, you know. You could maybe maybe it's the shorts. They think you're spending too much money.
Oh, I thought you were about to attack the shorts.
$8, it's a little high, you know. They see this high maintenance guy.
You're right, you're right. Yeah.
Puppy. Option 3.
Puppy.
Option 3. Option 1, do you. Option 2,
do the opposite.
Do the opposite of you. Option 3, get a puppy and call it.
Please smash that like button because I think we all know the puppy's the way to do it. Good luck allocating. Allocate. That's what he does. Oh, it's very heavy. It's very, very heavy. I just ruined my white shirt. Before getting this mounted, I just realized probably should open it up, make sure it's the right wheel. So, mail time. Dun dun dun, ladies and gentlemen. There's the second box. Take 2, if I could get a drum roll. Jeep Nation, we are back. Relations race wheel, spare tire. I don't know where we're going. Well, actually, I know exactly where we're going. We're going up there. Change of plans. Wait for it. Hit it. We have arrived to our final destination. Sal, what are you doing? Lift down, so much easier than the 570. Yes, I need gas. I don't get very good fuel economy. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Little Sal, where are you? What's up, Zane?
Yo. Behind you.
Sal, there you are. What's up, dude? What's up? Go! Woo! And Zane is making his intro to the channel. There he goes! Clayton's much better at this than me, so keep that in mind. Pizza! We got the pizza, we're good.
One pop. Oh yeah. James, you're like model status right now.
Yeah, I know. Which I'm with it. Oh! I can smell it!
Oh yeah.
Hit it! We've done dumb things in the past. This could be the dumbest. Do you guys see that canal down? It's not a canal, it's like, I don't know what it is. It's a river, and we're gonna go float it. Check this out. This is the sickest garage ever. We have a Rolls-Royce Wraith, and we have an indoor basketball hoop. The helicopter is generally here, but it's not here right now. Yes, we are all adults. This is true. We're all adults, but you know what? Sometimes in life, you need to have an inflatable unicorn. Woo! All right, sorry about that. Take 2. Ladies, he's single and he's ready to mingle. Here we go.
Okay, see ya. Bye.
Oh, cold. It is so cold. The sun is down, but we're out here. Never doubt. Full send. You can't see. Stop. Oh, you're gone. Oh gosh! This is so...
It's been like 5 minutes and I can still hear them screaming.
We made it! Braden is gone! Braden didn't make it! Yeah, bitch! Go! amazing, amazing day. My battery is flashing red right now, so if the video dies, it is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like,